JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link Tapo C310, Outdoor Security Wi-Fi Camera, Unboxing and Installation. Ultra-high definition video, records every image in crystal clear 3MP definition. Advanced night vision, provides a visual distance of up to 30 meters even in total darkness. Two-way audio, enables communication through a built-in microphone and speaker. The device supports microSD cards up to 512 GB for local storage, providing a secure and cost-effective way to store footage. Wired or wireless networking, connect your camera to the network through Ethernet or Wi-Fi for more flexible installation. Package contents, installation guide, mounting brackets and kits, 9-volt DC power adapter, Tapo C310 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.